So hi, so today I would like to make some tote bag, and I would like to dye into shibori pattern. So I would like to show you how it's made. So the first, I would like to make Itajime technique. This one called Itajime because the technique is like a folding to help the motif. So the first, this one, the tote bag is already made, already sealed. The tote bags, I would like to fold into half like this, and then fold it to the back, and then the last is folded to the back also. So it's like the accordion fold. Can you see that? It's like a zigzag. So left, right, and here. And then start from the bottom. I would like to fold it again. And here. And it's actually finished. And this one is Itajime technique. I would like to show you the result on the end of the video. This one Itajime. I would like to dye five or more in one. What is that? What it called that? So I dip 5 tote bag in one technique, and then the second is actually this one called like Kanoko. Kanoko is like tied with the rubber band. I would like to fold into half and then fold it again into quarter. So I will get the center of the tote bag in here. This one, the center of the tote bag. I open again, and then I pinch the tote bag in here. Pinch and make it like this. And I would like to tie it with the rubber band like this, like that. Then here again, because it's not enough, I think we need 2 or 3 rubber band. It's actually so easy. And then for the other side, I would like to pinch too, and then make it like the other side also. Finished. So this one, the second method, this one called Kanoko. We have 2, and then next is the 3 technique. Third technique, it's actually like Kanoko, but this one is the small circle of the Kanoko. So I would like, we need this one marker. I would like to mark where is the pattern that we would like to make. I think this one in here, here, here. I think this one is too close, but it's okay. Like this, we have one, and then I would like to make another circle in here. Ta-da! It's like this. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 circle in here. This one, the third, the second, and then this, the first technique. So hi, so today I would like to go into Pasar Baru. Pasar Baru is one of the fabric area. So like fabric, so many fabric like denim, canvas, and so many things. So I would like to go there to find some canvas. I would like to sew like for tote bags, like for souvenirs and Shibori souvenirs. So yeah, let's go there and see where and how we get the fabric. Is the shop still open or not, or we find the right fabric, or let's see. And finally, we arrived in Tamim Street. Ketinggalan. Jadi kita mau cari bahan ini di sini.
Bye-bye.
Saya butuh 200 meter, segulung berarti berapa Pak? Tapi kalau lebarnya itu berapa Pak? 1,5 meter. Oke.
Yang gede-gedenya ada di bawah, yang bisa ngambil. Jadi seambilnya aja ya.
Seambilnya aja. Oke. Of a lot of the fabric like jeans and canvas, and I always come here to buy the fabric because it's a bit more cheaper than the others, and just like that. See that? This is denim and jeans, but there's a lot of fabric. Ya udah Pak.
Awas.
Iya sok. And the important thing is this fabric is RFD. So RFD is mean ready for dye. If you would like to make some like shibori or batik or something like that, you can use this fabric as the base or the material, because this one is absorb color really well, like natural color or samical or synthetic color. So all can, because this one the base is cotton totally. Ini tuh yang 8-nya mana Pak? Ini hitung dulu aja. Saya dukung.
Ya, makasih. Oke, makasih.
Kanvas Pak buat souvenir. Bapak nuhun. Ya, sampai ketemu lagi. And let's go to the konveksi right now. Diam. Mang, Oman ke sana ya sekarang? Iya. Paling 40 menitan meren ya Mang ya, 30 menit 40 menit.
Dua diajar.
Yakin?
Yakin. Biasa bawa lagi. Ya, lah.
Bang Kosim nanti sampelnya sama aja ya?
Ya.
Malam ya? Malam ada di rumah? Okay. We just finished to send the fabric to Mang Kosim. Now, Mang Kosim would like to sew become a tote bag. And we would like to wait until it's already finished. Because the deadline is so close. So hi, welcome to the next day of how to fold and dyeing this tote bag. So can you see this one? This one is the third technique that I already showed you before. And then this one, we have like the second technique. It's actually, I told you this one is Kanoko, but actually this one like Kumo, but we made it with a rubber band like this. And this one is the first technique. This one is the Itajime. Itajime is like a fold into like half, and then we fold again into accordion, and then dye it into coloring dyes. So I would like to open this one, the third technique. So it will look like this. So the rubber band is resist the color dyes, so the tote bag is still white, and then the rest is blue. You can adjust the position, of course, the position of the rubber band. And that's all. This one, the first technique with Itajime, and then this one, the second, Kanoko or Kumo, the big size of Kumo, and then the third is this one. Which one's your favorite? Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.